how to delete Instagram account or how to deactivate your Instagram account, updated ways. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account or download it. But before you do that, I need you guys to understand that you can not only just delete your Instagram account, but you can temporarily deactivate it. And even so, when you're doing that, you can download all of the data and information that you have stored on your Instagram account before doing so. So make sure to watch this video to better understand on how you can preserve your data while still deleting your Instagram. Now, everyone has Instagram now, and you might feel a bit overwhelmed while using Instagram, so you can choose to delete your account or deactivate it. For most people, I would recommend you should just deactivate your account, take a break, and then come back to Instagram whenever you feel like it, because you're going to have a lot of stuff on Instagram that you have time all these years, and then you can just come back to it later on. But if you're still very much adamant that you don't want it, you can disable your account for a temporary amount of time, and then later on reactivate your account if you feel like it, or if you don't reactivate it, it will automatically be deleted. Now, to get started, you will have to log on to Instagram via your browser. Even if you are using your phone, you will have to go out of the Instagram application and open up your browser, so your internet browser, whatever it might be. You're going to go on to Instagram.com and you're going to have to log on to your browser. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on Profile over here, and then you're going to click on Edit Profile. Now, once you do that, you're just going to scroll down. I have the option of temporarily disable my account on the right side over here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on over here. Then you're going to add what the reasons are. And then you're just going to add the password over here. And then you can click on temporarily disable account. Now, what this basically does is that you can disable your account once in a week, and then once you log onto your account. So after that, whenever I log onto this account using this username and the password that I have for this account, it will automatically be reactivated. But until it is deactivated, it is basically the same as deleted. It won't be present on any platform, basically. So you won't be able to find this in the search bar. Other people won't be able to see me. Other people won't be able to send me posts or do anything like that, tag me or anything. But your username, the username that you're using, so I'm using the username foodiehehe, and what this will do is that this will save your username for you. So no one else will be able to take your username, and whenever you choose to return to this account or to Instagram, you will be able to go back with your original username. And this is something I find to be super helpful, especially if you're running like a page or if you're running something else. Then it's going to be a lot more helpful to have your username later on for when you actually want it. Now, in another situation is that you can go into your help section and you can take a look at all of your security questions and all of that. And then if you go into your privacy and security section over here, you can also choose to private your account for temporary purposes if you're feeling like you don't want to use Instagram, but you can also still choose to delete it. And I keep saying that you can choose to delete it because I don't recommend it. It's an undoable move. And once you do that, if you have like worked on your Instagram for a couple of years, then you will not be able to recover it. But you can download your Instagram, and for that, you just go into your profile, and then you're going to click on Edit Profile, go into Privacy and Security, and then if you scroll down on Privacy and Security, you have your data download. So you can click on Request Download, and then you can choose how you want to get a copy of your information. So let's say we wanted an HTML, you're going to click on Next, and then you're going to enter your password that you have for your Instagram account. And then you will be able to download all of your information, but you need to keep into consideration that this may take up to 2 days for all of the information to be collected, because obviously your account has extensive amount of information available in the form of images, stories, pictures, highlights. So it's going to take some while to actually download your information, and then you can download it onto your PC or onto your phone. Now, going on to the crux of the video, if you're still not satisfied and you want to delete your Instagram account, you will have to go on to this page. So this is actually the Instagram Help Center, and then you're going to click on How do I delete my Instagram account? And then you can just click on scroll down, and then you will see this link for delete your account. And I will leave the link over in the description box down below, so you can just click on it directly instead of having to open up the Instagram Help Center, and then you can just delete your account from over here. So whatever kind of account, if you have multiple accounts, do take a quick glance at the top right to what account has been logged onto your browser. Whatever account is logged onto your browser over here will appear at the delete section over here. So you want to make sure that it is the right account, and then you can even click on the account to see what account you're deleting. Then going back onto our delete page, you're going to enter the reason for why you are deleting your account. So let's say we are too busy, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on over here, and then you're going to re-enter your password. And once you do that, you're going to just click on delete profile, and then your account profile and details will be hidden until 1 month, and then later on delete it. So even with the deletion, you get a 1 month chance of recovering your account. But once you have passed that certain amount of time, so after, even if I try to log in after the 1st of June, my account will be permanently gone. I will not be able to access it. So I'm just going to click on delete foodie, click on OK. And now you can see my account will be deleted on the 1st of June. Now, if I refresh my Instagram page over here, it has automatically been logged out because obviously it has been disabled / deleted. But if I click on switch accounts and enter the username and the password that I have without having to go through any hassle whatsoever, I can just click on log in. And you can see it is going to ask me, you're requested to delete this account. If you want to keep it, you have until the 1st of June to let them know. So you can choose to keep the account or go back into the login page. So you don't have to worry about accidentally reactivating your account. You can go back into login and enter your new account password or your other account. So let's say we are just going to recover our account. So we're going to click on keep account. And then you have this trial period where you can choose to save your account. Now, once you do that, you can't really do this over and over again because Instagram only allows you a certain amount of deletions like this. Like you can't do this within like a 14-day period. You can't do it over and over again within certain 14 days. So you will have to wait for half a month if you want to do this again. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to choose if you want to delete your account, deactivate it, or just save some of your data in other file formats for you to later on choose whether you want to reactivate Instagram or not. If you are considering to delete your Instagram or have any privacy concerns, you can always go into the Instagram Help Center to relieve all of your privacy concerns and your questions and queries, because they are super helpful with that now, and they have, really upped their security in terms of general privacy and security. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.